Welcome to the next episode of Tech Wizard. Get ready for an action-packed adventure. Buckle up and watch how these wood-hauling drivers tackle the most dangerous situations in the world. Brace yourselves, let's get started. The sight of the homemade tractor hauling timber struggling to make its way through the muddy road after the rain is truly unforgettable. These vehicles symbolize the strength and endurance of the local people, where modern technology has yet to reach. The wheels spun in the thick mud, unable to bear the weight of the timber, and the vehicle eventually tipped over on the slippery slope. To rescue it, everyone had to unload the logs. The solidarity during such difficult times vividly reflects the unity and resilient spirit of the Vietnamese people.
Okay.
In the damp forest, the roads always hold unpredictable surprises in terms of sinking depth, and the John Deere 1110D harvester was no exception. After attempting to cross a muddy patch, it got stuck. Today, without any teammates nearby, it had to rescue itself. With each skillful grapple, it placed logs on the ground to reduce the sinking and create a stable path to escape. After much effort and struggle, the John Deere 1110D successfully freed itself, reaffirming its strength and resilience.
Quay clip xe gấp hư đứng nha các bạn. Lên mình rồi luôn.
The Vietnamese people are truly courageous, as seen during the war with the U.S. in 1954. With their homemade vehicles, they traverse treacherous terrains that few would dare to imagine. The image of a vehicle loaded with straw from the fields climbing a nearly vertical slope is breathtaking. At times, the vehicle swayed, and a few people had to stand on top of it to keep balance. I wondered to myself, would I dare stand up there? They embodied resilience, proving the strength of the human spirit to overcome all obstacles.
Qua em đã lên các bạn ơi. Mình đụng ngang vàng chiếc hồi nãy. Cái đường này khó chịu quá. Qua em. Và cuối cùng cũng lên được các bạn ơi.
We witnessed for the first time the creative way the Marathi people unload large logs. The excavator slowly pushes the log down from above, while the truck below uses two sturdy poles to catch it. The log lands neatly on the truck, showcasing the ingenuity and skill of the forest workers in utilizing what's available to complete the job without modern machinery. Necessity breeds ingenuity, and they manage to load the log onto the truck safely. Charged toward the near vertical slope, capturing the eager gaze of the crowd. But failure came swiftly. It lost its grip and got stuck halfway up, leaving everyone disappointed and disdainful. A military tank approached, powerfully pulling Trattoriata out of its humiliating predicament. The roar of the engine echoed as admiring eyes turned to the tank, highlighting its strength and pride in a moment of crisis. The homemade tractor reared up due to being overloaded while climbing a mountain pass, creating a dramatic moment for the driver. The front of the vehicle tilted and the wheels lost grip on the road, while the back was loaded with timber. But the driver didn't panic. The vehicle was equipped with a smart winch system, tying a rope to a tall tree nearby. As the winch engaged, it pulled the vehicle out of the dangerous situation. Though safe, half of the timber had spilled out. The scene was both tense and breathtaking, showcasing the skill and ingenuity of the people here.
Bất đồng.
The saying, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together holds true in this case. The John Deere 1110D found itself stuck in a deep swamp, with the high mud making it impossible to get out on its own. However, with the timely assistance of the John Deere 1470E, after a bit of struggling, the rescue was successful. It is a testament to solidarity, where true strength is built from cooperation, overcoming challenges together.
Vel vajag!
The tractor truck, a symbol of the people here, is an indispensable means of transportation. It has good load-bearing capacity, suitable for the rugged dirt roads, but it's difficult to control due to its simple design. Even a small mishap can cause it to tip over. That's exactly what happened. The truck lost its balance when one wheel slipped off the road, despite two men trying to press it down. As a result, the truck flipped right on the spot. Fortunately, both men and the driver managed to jump off in time, narrowly escaping an accident. Metsis, with its expansive tracks, is ready to traverse through damp forests and slippery, muddy terrains. Its grapple works with precision, gently lifting each log. As the heart of the forestry industry, Metsis is not only powerful with its superior engine and suspension system, but also safe with modern GPS and cameras, ensuring a smooth and sustainable journey. Sometimes life throws you into unexpected situations, like today deep in the forest when the John Deere 810D suddenly tipped over. It certainly wasn't the best day, but thanks to the timely help from a colleague, everything turned out fine. Fortunately, both the vehicle and the operator were safe. Next time, be more careful, our green friend. In the midst of winter, the forest transforms into a stunning masterpiece with a blanket of white snow. However, beneath that smooth layer of snow, muddy swamps lie in wait. Timberjack 810B, equipped with sturdy tracks, confidently embarks on its journey. It glides over the wet paths without any fear of getting stuck. When encountering mud, the machine seems to shrug it off, determined to push through. With its strength and resilience, Timberjack paints a vivid picture amidst the winter landscape. Have you ever witnessed large logs being loaded onto a truck? It's quite a grand sight. The old, small, but powerful excavator makes the truck shake. I used to think it couldn't handle the weight, but this happens every day, showcasing the resilience of the people here. The Timberjack 810B is like a mighty warrior, challenging all the harshness of the cold weather in the damp forest. Despite the torrential rain, it tirelessly carries on with its logging mission, leaving onlookers in awe. The waterlogged roads make each wheel turn a struggle, and at times it sways as if it might tip over. But it's the skill of the operator that turns every difficulty into ease. He is my idol, a symbol of resilience and courage, a shining example for everyone to follow. The Tatra concrete mixer truck is facing a slope that could collapse at any moment. Just a slight misstep could send it tumbling down. However, it recognized the danger and used its experience to safely navigate down the slope. The log-set 6F Forwarder, deep in the forest, faced a harsh challenge. Stuck in a thick mud pit with no one around to help, it struggled alone in the heavy mire. Refusing to give up, the machine skillfully used its grapple to lay logs as a makeshift path, creating stepping stones for itself. After a long period of persistence and expertise, Logset finally freed itself. But the cost was an entire day lost, as the harvested logs had sunk deep into the mud, leaving a sense of sorrow in the operator's heart. The Timberjack 810B is an efficient logging machine powered by a strong diesel engine with 150 horsepower. Its overall dimensions are approximately 4.5 meters in length, 2.4 meters in width, and 3.2 meters in height, with a weight of around 12,000 kilograms. The hydraulic system, with a flow rate of 130 lumen and four-wheel drive, allows it to move flexibly over difficult terrain. The Timberjack 810B can transport around 10 tons of wood, making it ideal for logging and transport operations in deep forests. Its robust design ensures durability in harsh environments. A mountain pass in China has become a nightmare for drivers carrying heavy loads. Today, a tractor trailer hauling 150 tons anxiously climbed the slope, but unexpectedly encountered a technical error at a sharp turn, forcing it to reverse on the dangerous incline. The tension was palpable as all eyes were on the driver. However, with his extensive experience, he skillfully reversed, then carefully hit the gas and powered up the steep slope. In the end, he conquered the pass, earning admiration from everyone for his confidence and skill. This stretch of road is known to drivers as the Road of Death. Just looking at it, the steep slope combined with sharp turns sends chills down one's spine. When it rains, the road becomes slippery, a terrifying challenge for heavy trucks. Just one moment of carelessness and a tire could lose control, sending the vehicle sliding down the slope. I held my breath, watching every agonizingly slow and careful move of the truck, praying for their safe passage, hoping that luck would smile upon these brave souls. From above, we saw a remarkable ferry in Indonesia. The river was beautiful, and on the ferry were 6 trucks fully loaded with wood. Despite the heavy load, the ferry moved smoothly across the river without any signs of being overloaded. The scene was both grand and peaceful, truly impressive.
Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye, and see you in the next parts tomorrow.